That's it. Can I have that book around? Thank you, sir. Can you believe that? Almost kept it by himself. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Just move the camera.
So he said that this is that the seichel amiti that exists in everything, which you connect yourself to, it gives you more seichel. You connect yourself and you follow it. You follow it through. It makes you more and more and more. This is B'chinas Yaakov, which is B'chinas Chochma, and this is the light that shines to all the ways. And he says that Orch Tzadikim, that the light of Kadosh Baruch Hu, is B'chinas with Likutei Torah Aleph. By the way, sorry that I didn't. I forgot. What can I do? A human being. A human being. Well, I'm a human being. So he said that the Chochmah, in one manifestation, it's called Chochmah. Another Bechina of that, another manifestation of that reality, is the Shemesh. What the Chochmah is in concept, or in comprehension, the sun is in physicality. And in the realm, so we see that you have a manifestation of the same principle on two very, very different realities. Right? One of them is physical world. Other one is comprehension of the mind.
It's literally night and day.
It's not night and day. It's just separate realities. It's the difference between. Is the difference between. It's like we must. It's like a difference between Chinese medicine and Western medicine. You're talking about the same thing. You're talking about the same body, but it's totally different principles. The pain in the knee, for Western medicine would be, tendinitis or whatever it is. And for Chinese medicine, it will be a blockage in the meridians of the life force. So Western medicine has a way of dealing with it, and the Chinese medicine has a way of dealing with it. Basically, it's like a different kind of direction. It's a different reality. Different aspect of the same thing. So, somebody once asked the question, what is Bechina? What does Bechina mean? The word Bechina is Bechinas. What is it? Once they actually ran what was it? A survey from a Brisbane Hasidim. What is Bechina? I think they had a few hundred of different definitions for what is Bechina. But basically, Bechina is a manifestation of the same principle in different reality. The head of a person's body is Bechina Melech, the country, or the owner and his business. Okay? You can see the same principle manifested in different realities. This is Bechina. So when we're talking about the same manifestation of the Chochmah, of the Seichel, of Yaakov, there's also another manifestation in the realm of letters. Interestingly enough, the evidence here does not say the final manifestation of it in the realm of numbers. you can say that, within the chet and the nun, within the letters themselves, the numbers are included. But in a matter of you describing reality, the letters are the descriptors of quality. What the thing is. You describe with words, what is this? Use words to describe. Numbers describe quantity. How many are there of that quality which you have defined? 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So words, define, letters define quality. What is it? Numbers define quantity. The Rebbe here now, he goes from Seichel, the Chochmah, Yaakov, Shemesh, now he goes to the Chet in the letters. And he says, why Dafka the Ches? Because Ches Lashon Chayos, as we learned just before, that the Chochmah is the life of everything. So the Chayos Lashon Ki HaChochmah VaSeichel Uchiyah Shel Kol Davar. Every single thing that exists for a certain seichel. It gets l'maisa its existence from the seichel, and for the purpose for which it was created, which is to get you to close to Kodesh Baruch Hu through that thing. So it's not just a justification, but it's an actual seichel. It's an actual enabler, physically. The seichel in the thing, the nekudas chochma in the thing, is the thing that makes the thing exist. In other words, if something exists to bring you close to Kodesh Baruch Hu, the car exists in order to take you to shul, whatever it is, that seichel gives that specific car its physical existence. Actually, in even science recognizes it, in quantum physics, they also recognizes that. But the seichel is the thing that gives the physical reality the existence. So this is the ches, l'shon chayos. Ches is the shorish of the word chayos. Chayos is already ches with a vav in there. Right? How do you spell the letter chet, completely? Chet yud tav, right? We said that a vav in every place is the pipe that brings about the water. When you have the spring, the water coming out, and then you want to bring the water to your field, right? What do you have to do? That's right. You have to make a tunnel. You have to make a vav. You have to make a line, and through that line, as we says, the yud is the mayan. It's the shorish, and the vav is that tunnel. That's the aqueduct that brings the water from the source to the destination. So chiyus is ches with a vav in it. When the life itself, which is a Kodesh Baruch Hu, but the level of Chochmah is totally ne'elam. It's totally undifferentiated, impossible to grasp, as we'll see later on. That you need that vav, you need that pipe bringing you the water to you. The source itself is ches. Once it infuses you, it's called chayos. That's right. You have ches with a vav in it. Since the light of the seichel is so great, it is impossible to attain that light unless you have a vessel, unless you have a receptacle, unless you have a keli. And Hashem will continue with the keli tomorrow.